Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel, Lola Femi's Lifestyle. Today I'm gonna be unboxing two of my gifts. One is the gift from my wedding anniversary, 50th anniversary, and the other one is for Christmas. It's from my son, Peter. So enjoy! First to open is the box that was given to me as a beautiful colorful box, flowers. I wonder what's inside. This was a anniversary gift when we had our 50th anniversary. Haven't opened it for a long time, and my first time to open it. Actually, I have it's a gift from one of our pastors in the church. Yes, it's easier to do like this. Woo! There you go. And voila! Oh wow! What are these? Wow! We have two coffee mug, and it has a be still and know. It has a verse from the Bible in Psalm 46:10. Be still and know. But the continuation that I am God. So it's one. This is for me because obviously the color is pink inside. So it's for me. It's Femi's. The other one, guys, is this one is for my husband Bert. It has a green one, and there's another verse in the Bible. It says here, He has made everything beautiful, and it's time. In Ecclesiastes 3:11. So, guys, it's a mug for his and hers. Beautiful, guys, because it has engraved verses of the Bible. Now, the next one we're going to be picking up is a home and honey milk. I guess this is it's a soap. Abon, yeah, it's a soap. And then there's another one here. Guess it's another hope. It's a mini whole fisio mineral salt. It's the finest triple milled soap. Oh, it's still a soap, but it's a mineral. So that would be nice for our skin, alright? Wow, mineral salt. Okay. And then we have another one, which is very, it's a book. Wow! The Inspired Landscape. It has a 21 leading landscape architects explore the creative process by Susan Cohen. I love this one. They know what they're giving me because they know that I am a gardener. So I really appreciate this one. Thank you very much, Pastor Ben and Sister Joanne, for this wonderful gift that you given us. Okay, guys, that's the first one. So let me put this away. This is one is given by my son Peter J, and he was telling me, "Mom, open your gift for Christmas." So it's an apple, guys. Can you tell me what is inside? It's not too big, but I think it's a small one. So it's let me open it. Ta-da! It's a watch, an Apple Watch. Oh Lord! And it says here, wow, it's a 7 series Apple Watch. I think this is the how do you call this one? The most modern. So let me see. It says here it's an Apple Watch with band and USB charging cable. So it's a series 7 midnight aluminum case. Alright, let's open, guys. Woo! Ta-da! Hey! Wow! Beautiful watch. I wonder, I haven't really have one of these before. It's nice, huh? What does it say here? Apple Watch Series 7 45mm midnight blue. Okay, now let's open it, guys. I guess there's an arrow here. This is where we pull this out. Oh, ayun. Kailangan dalawang kamay. Nasira ko na. Pa nagagamit. Ano ba yan? Oh. Okay. Oh, guys, look, oh. Bayan. Anong klaseng watch ito? Paano kaya binubok ba yan? Yun! Oh, gosh. Anong klase ito? Hindi ako marunong bumasa yata nito. Tapos, meron siyang, so that's the watch. Okay? I guess that's the watch. And then we have this one. Oh, the USB, guys. Wow. It comes with the USB, which is good. It's very important to have the USB there. And then, ano pa ba? Okay, hanapin na natin yung bracelet. May bracelet dito sa loob eh. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi sanay mag-unbox. First time. Oh, okay. This one goes there. Tapos, andito na yung mga sinasabi-sabi nila. It's designed by Apple in California. Okay. Ito yung instructions and everything. So, let me put this aside for now. And let me open up the bracelet. Wow, guys. It's a copper, orangey bracelet. Nice. Wow. So, let me open on the side. It's Cinturino Amagale and Per. I don't know what's this. This alone is at $99. That's expensive. It's a leather link magnetic closure bracelet. Okay. Ang ninipis naman kasi, guys, ang hirap buksan. Mas maliit, mas manipis, mas mahirap. Ayan. Tanaran. Ayan. Tanaran. Hey, there you go, guys. That's the bracelet. Wow. Wonder kung paano ito kakabit mamaya. Did you like the color? I like the color. So, slide until you hear a click. Oh. Sige, subukan natin, guys. Slide daw. Sabi dito, guys, to attach is slide until you hear a click. Parang hindi na tama. Slide until you hear a click. Sumubra. Okay. Ayun. Click. I heard it. And then the other one, slide. Ikita nyo? Ikita mo na kayo. Until you hear a click. Mas magaling yan. Ako dito sa kaliwa. There. Okay, guys. Ito na, oh. Ito na yung watch. Ayun, hindi ko alam kung paano ito. Okay, guys, there. Can you see them? It's beautiful. Ngayon, paano ba ito? Pag ganyan yata, guys, pag ganyan. Magnetic daw eh, magnetic. Tadan! Ayun. Yamar. Oh, magnetic nga, guys. Ganyan, oh. Okay? Wow. Beautiful. I need to clean that up a little bit more. Did you like the color, guys? It's the most series. I think the most modern now series of Apple Watch. I hope you... Okay, guys. Ito naman yung gift namin sa anniversary. Sabon, yung coffee mug, at saka yung book for the inspired landscape. Hope you enjoyed the video. My first time to unbox, guys, and there will be more. Lalo na ngayong Christmas. Oh, ito na yung setup ng kompleto ng pag-open ng watch. Ayan, guys. Itim na itim siya, pero dark blue talaga siya. Do you like it, guys? Ayan yung Apple Watch. This concludes my unboxing of my gifts, guys. I hope you like it. I haven't really fun opening, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day.